What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video, I have another makeover for you, and this time it is my laundry room. We decided to do some DIY projects ourselves in order to make this space more utilized and more efficient when it comes to organization and laundry. And everybody knows that on this channel, we love to talk about organization, aesthetics, and efficiency. I feel like we achieved that through a little bit of money and a lot of time, but nonetheless, we love the outcome. So if you're interested in seeing this laundry room makeover, then just keep watching. wanted to hop on here and show you really quick how everything ended up. And I absolutely love these awesome baskets I got from Homegoods. They were super inexpensive. They're white metal with just a little bit of nice texture to it. And these are super inexpensive and a great way for me to store all of my accessories in my laundry room, like my arts and crafts supplies, my bags, my tape. This is some extra shopping bags, and then of course my steamer and my iron. And I love these shelves because they're all completely adjustable, and we added the same exact handles that we had in our kitchen. And then in here I just have our laundry detergent. This is my cleaning stuff, some absolutely random accessories in this basket, and then all of our pest control and sprays in there. And then moving over to the laundry area, I got this amazing setup at Target online, and it comes with a rack and then 3 of these amazing bags that you add that are completely adjustable and washable to separate all of your laundry. It does come with a wire basket at the bottom to catch anything and give these nice support, and it also has wheels so it rolls around if I needed to move it. I also love this adjustable rack because I can put all of my delicates on here to air dry and not have to worry about that. And then last but certainly not least, this amazing gingham rug I found from Target. It is a Threshold brand, and it is perfect to complete this absolutely beautiful laundry room makeover. All right, you guys, that completes this makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I will link everything that I can in the description box down below. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.